What is your mother tongue?
Oh, I'd say English.
English.
Yes. Because at home, we're not. My dad's Tamil, my mom's Malayali, so it was difficult for us to pick up language. So we learned English as a mother tongue.
But do you speak Tamil, Malayalam?
A little bit. No,
There is
we have in Bihar it's called Bhojpuri.
Bhojpuri.
But I can speak English, Hindi, Tamil, Haryanvi, Bengali, and a bit of.
So Haryanvi you speak?
Yes. Because I was in Delhi and I had a lot of Haryanvi Jat friends. It's sort of similar to Hindi, just that you have to put a more heavy voice and also certain words are slightly different.
Oh, interesting. Yeah. So, but mother tongue is English.
I would say mother tongue is English according to my understanding, but officially when you call it, the mother tongue would be what my mom and dad technically speaks, that is Tamil.
Put it in YouTube.
Yeah, do it again.
That's it. Huh? What timing you can see that?
Love symbol പോലെ തലയിൽ വെക്കണം.
No, not that. No.
What is this?
Heart. It's a
Heart.
shape.
No,
Heart.
on other hand, you should put together.
What are we going to eat?
He knows garlic fried rice, soup, and
Packing chicken.
No, so it is a Manipuri food or no? Tibetan food.
Veg manchao or non-veg manchao?
Non-veg manchao.
We're ordering manchao. Okay. First manchao soup. That's a non-veg one and veg meatball.
You have to only order 3 now.
Only four. 3 non-veg, 1 veg. 3 plus 1. Four. Now next one is we can go for momos. So
Anurag,
no.
I heard it's good. It's good.
One is we'll take one is steamed veg for me.
So this is momos.
Yes, please.
It is a veg or non-veg?
Actually, they make it, they break it same way as we do. Someone should try and show me.
Yes, please.
മെസ്സേജ് അയക്കാം മെസ്സേജ് അയക്കാം എന്തൊക്കെ പറ്റും
I have a career. I am to be very frank.
Yeah, open and show and taste and tell how it is.
How do we? Oh, we need to open it.
No, you.
This is supposed to be good.
Yeah, it is a chicken.
Is the meat cut or
It's very hard.
keema?
It's keema.
This is veg.
And we dip it.
Veg.
And
We can have show it both in camera.
How it is, Pournami? It's good?
really nice. It's yummy at another level.
they can also eat.
And you are taking veg?
Veg.
Momos.
Momos.
Is it good?
This is good cabbage.
Okay. So this is, what is it called?
Mancho soup.
Manchu soup. Mancho soup. Anurag, try and show. It's good? Pournami, what is it? Like it is a chicken soup, yeah?
Soup, yeah.
Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah, chicken manchao.
Huh? It's good?
Delicious. Very nice.
Is it spicy?
No,
Not at all, yeah?
not that Indian spicy. But not
Ah. So this is chicken fried rice.
Yeah, this is a very prominent dish here. Something that has a mix of both vegetables, good quantity of it, as well as mix of chicken and a little bit of egg. Scrambled egg.
It's nice. It's nice.
It's very nice. Yeah.
It's very nice. And it has gajar. What is gajar? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is gajar? Carrots. Oh, So you know that our rice, our concept of rice is meat, carrot, and carrot.
And potato is also
We don't add potato, no.
rice.
Iranians, they do with potato. They make something which is called tadiq, which is crunchy side of the rice. It's very nice, and so they add. We don't put. For our pilaf, no. For our pilaf, no. But for our Kazakh type of meat, yeah, we boil potatoes. So those are the buns, big buns.
Can't keep that separate.
I think you shouldn't have taken all the plates out.
Let first
Yeah, start. Pournami,
let this come first.
you're the role model of today.
Thank you.
Let curry come first.
In Tibetan restaurant, there is a curry. No, this is a huge bun. You were right. We should have just get four for all of us. Yeah.
It's tingmo.
Yeah.
It's tingmo, Tibetan bun.
Tingmo. So you want to try?
With when the curry comes.
Okay. Okay.
They don't have any sauce.
What is this?
Just give some spoon here. You can serve.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, just give me a spoon like this. This also take. He's giving a spoon. Oh, same only.
So gravy.
This is curry. Bhutani food.
Bhutani.
Yeah. This is a Bhutani. What is this called? This is Bhutani.
Is it yogurt?
Potato, some gravy. I don't know. I don't know the name.
Sir, you should learn the name.
Yeah.
Some name I had in Bhutan. Lots of cheese and this chili.
Yeah, it's very, something that we mix together, and it's very tasty. You should try it.
We don't.
Please.
We don't. Sir, you want Pepsi, please.
So what are you eating?
What is it?
What is it?
Crispy pecking chicken. I know about it, but I like it here. That's
It's good.
We try this chicken.
This looks like blood, man.
Is it spicy?
Rishi, you take it.
One is first. Take it and pass.
You take it. Just it now.
Put everything and then pass them the empty bowl.
How is it, Steffi? It's nice. Yeah? Yeah. But Anurag, if you want to eat something for me, you can eat.
One option is that jalebi we can eat.
Sir, I have one tea, sir.
One tea. Okay.
Kulfi they have.
No.
Ramnat, what are you going to
I am
have?
going to have a tea, chai. Do you want one? Yeah.
No, I don't want anything.
You want tea?
What is kotta kachori?
Huh?
So
It's,
they have.
Kota kachori.
What
a
does
dish.
it have inside?
It what specifically?
Like dal? Something like
yeah,
that?
it's vegetarian.
Uh-huh.
All of these are vegetarian.
Aloo
Kachori
piyaz.
and aloo.
Jalebi.
This is potato inside it.
Uh-huh.
भैया इसके अंदर क्या है? कोटा कचौरी. दाल है सर. दाल.
Dal.
Oh. And मटर समोसा, मटर मटर मसाला. Okay.
Matar is what?
मटर मतलब?
मटर के सर फ्राई करके भून के
आधा मटर.
ये इसी है सर उसका मसाला बना के
Gobi. Aloo.
भाई एक चाय देना.
उनको ले लो सर
We have lot of sweets, chaat, different dishes.
ये दिस इज पापड़ी चाट दिस इज गोलगप्पा दिस इज गोलगप्पा, ये पानी, ये राज कचौड़ी।
This is actually poured into the tap.
You know, I love pani from Pani Puri.
सर दाल बाटी है राजस्थान की बहुत बड़ी आइटम है देश
You can also check that sweets there.
And this is dal pati.
सर ये जलेबी रबड़ी वहाँ मिलेगा
So what are you guys going to have?
I'm having rasmalai. I think
Rasmalai. Oh, I want pan. Get pan for me, Anurag. Get pan for me, pan.
Pan outside.
Why?
Here it is not there.
Where is the pan?
Pan is there. Oh. One pan. I will take petha
I
pan.
love pan.
Petha pan. This is a petha pan, not that pan. Sweet. It is a petha. It is a sweet.
Let me try it.
But it is pan, na?
मान गुलकोन डला उधर तो गुलकोन
Oh, अच्छा, I will.
Punjia. Girls, what did you get? You get something.
We are waiting for rasmalai.
Oh, rasmalai. You like rasmalai?
I don't. I'm getting it for my husband.
Ah, really?
Parcel.
He loves it.
He loves it.
I think India has best malai. Malai on the milk. Cream on the milk is best in India. Because it seems that in India they don't cheat on the milk.
Yeah.
All around the world they are cheating on the milk.
Low fat.
Low fat, yeah. I hate low fat milk. Pournami, what are you getting?
Rasmalai. Come.
Ah, you're also?
This one. It's the
Yeah.
most yummiest thing on planet Earth. Second only to this one. Srikhand.
Yeah.
Like, sorry. 3 rasmalai separately and 1 chai. Yeah. Chai there, no? Okay. So this is an Indian sweet shop. It's the best thing on planet Earth. If you come to India, you have to visit a sweet shop. Otherwise, your trip is incomplete.
You know, because Kazakhs do not really have a concept of sweets.
That's
Like we have very limited number of sweets. So.
Even if you visit Taj Mahal and you don't visit a sweet shop, your trip
Oh,
is not complete.
I love that. It's like, what is that sweet in Agra? Very famous
Petha.
fruit. Petha. Oh, petha is
Petha.
good.
Ramnat.
Thank you.
You have to go there.
Oh, thank you. बहुत shukriya.
It is sweet.
It is sweet.
Slowly eat.
Yeah, but I love it. I love it. Malai boy.
Nice.
It's good?
Very yum. You wanna have? Have, no?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. You have it for me.
Oh. Very nice.
Huh?